In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your custom board and pieces on chess.com, and we'll complete this in just about 5 minutes. This guide is perfect if you've been looking to personalize your online chess experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to chess.com. You can do this by typing chess.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to enter your username and password in the provided fields. Alternatively, if you created your account using Google, Apple, or Facebook, you can log in using one of those services. Choose the option that applies to you and follow any prompts that appear to complete the login process seamlessly. Now that you're logged into your chess.com account, head straight to Settings. You can find this option usually in the menu that appears when you click on your profile picture or username. Once you're in the Settings menu, focus your attention on the Board and Pieces section. This area is where all the magic happens in terms of customization. Click on Board and Pieces and you'll find a menu with options for both the board and the pieces. To begin, click on Pieces. This will allow you to choose from a variety of different styles, whether you want something modern, classic, or maybe even experimental. Select the design that you feel resonates with your style of play. Next, return to the menu and click on Game Room, or choose any set of pieces that you prefer. The choice is entirely yours, depending on your aesthetic senses or strategic considerations. Once you've set your pieces, it's time to select a board. Look for the drop-down box beside board. By clicking on it, you can peruse through a selection of board designs. Whether it's a translucent look or something more traditional, browse and find the one you love best. This is your chance to bring some personality to your playing field. Finally, don't forget to hit save. It's crucial because it ensures your changes will stick and they're ready for the next time you leap into a game. Now exit the settings, navigate to the main game area, and voila. The next time you hit play, your customized board and pieces will be in action, making every game feel uniquely yours. And there you have it. Your online chess experience just got a whole lot more personal. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process simple and clear for you. Enjoy playing with your newly customized board and pieces, and see you in the next video.